If you produce video on a regular basis, here is something you need to know. There are giant media outlets you can tap into. It's called cord cutting. That's the term used for a growing band of people who are canceling cable and satellite in favor of devices such as Amazon TV and Roku. These outlets alone reach tens of millions of people via streaming TV. Amazon Fire TV has 50 million subscribers. Roku has 25 million. 1 in 8 of all TVs sold contain Roku operating systems. This is a major shift in video content delivery, and it's growing fast. Imagine if you had your own television network on these devices just like Netflix or Hulu. Well, you can. Ideally, you already have a video content presence such as YouTube or another outlet. This helps us get your content on air faster. We build you the channels to access the millions of subscribers. We will also show you the options you have to earn cash from your network. It's time to find out more. Complete the form and we will send you all the information.